Even if we increase salaries, the way everything can't take become expensive so go still take the salaries. We need to think of wetin to do and provide solutions to deal with the high price of things and the main money the worker dey carry go house. Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, talk this one when he received the executive members of the National Association of Resident Doctors (NAD) wey dey under the employment of Edo State Government. Oga Shaibu come talk say anytime salary increase, the high price of things dey somehow swallow the money, and say personally he believe say no matter the increase for salary, e no go mean anything if we no first handle other things wey go make that increment useless.
We care for our workers and we also understand the economic situation of the country. And each time I speak with the governor, there's always this thing that we discuss. We have always agreed that the minimum wage is supposed to be a take-home pay. But actually the minimum wage is not a take-home pay. That is the truth. It's supposed to be a wage that takes you home. But it's actually a wage that brings you to work. That is the truth and that is the fact. Even if we have to increase the salaries, inflation has a way of also taking the salaries. So we need to just look for what to do and provide solutions to dealing with the issue of inflation and dealing with the issue of actual wages that we actually take home. As an individual, I believe that no matter how you increase wages, until you deal with other factors that will make those wages significant and important, we just continue to increase wage and the cost of living continue to be high.
Shaibu Consti talk say the first thing to do na to fix the entire value chain system where if we deal with the issues of production, high prices of things, infrastructure and corruption, the entire value chain go dey alright. He Consti talk say Edo government dey interested in taking care of im workers so that they go get the best from them and come promise NAD say dem go touchlight all the issues wey dey bother them.
The first thing is let's just fix the system. The entire system, the value chain system need to be dealt with. We need to just fix it. We need to deal with the issue of production. We need to deal with the issue of inflation. We need to deal with the issue of infrastructure. We need to, the same commitment that all of us have to put in, let's all put all those commitment and effort. And if we are able to do that and deal with the issue of corruption also, the entire value chain will be functional for all of us. And even if it is 10,000 naira that anybody is paid, it will take you home. But as it is today, subsidy has also created its own action, and it's just the truth. As I was reading through Financial Times this morning, and I'm seeing that even the dollar again has increased, and the naira is being devalued almost per minute now. And so all those have an economic impact and effect in the cost of what we buy in the market. And that you cannot put aside. So I'm with you as far as what you're asking for. But as a government, definitely we are very sensitive, we are also very responsive, and we are interested in dealing with the issue of welfare of ourselves so that we are able to get the best of them as far as what they produce, the outputs that we get in their various offices.
The president of NAD Edo State Chapter, Uwagboy Obiangele, can ask for the deputy governor intervention concerning the implementation of the revised health hazard allowance and minimum wage for Edo State health workers, and also the small allowance for medical doctors to help reduce the effect of removal of fuel subsidy.
Firstly, I would like to express our gratitude for the continuous support and collaboration between the government and the healthcare sector. It is through this partnership that we'll be able to deliver quality healthcare services to the people of Edo State. However, there are pressing concerns that demand your attention and prompt action. One of the key issues we wish to address is the delayed payment of the revised health hazard allowance. As frontline workers, we put our lives at risk daily to ensure the health and safety of our fellow citizens. It is disheartening that despite the collective agreement to increase the health hazard allowance, it has not been implemented. We kindly request the government's intervention in expediting the payment process, as it serves as a moral booster for the healthcare professionals and recognizes the sacrifices we make every day. Furthermore, we urge the government to promptly implement the new minimum wage for health workers. Adequate remuneration is not just a matter of fairness, but it is essential to attract and retain skilled professionals in the healthcare sector. By implementing the new minimum wage, the government will demonstrate its commitment to the well-being and motivation of health workers, which will ultimately translate to improved healthcare services for our citizens. Lastly, I would like to draw your attention to the recent removal of fuel subsidy in Nigeria. This policy change has had a significant impact on the cost of living for all Nigerians, including healthcare workers. In light of this, we humbly request the government's consideration in providing a temporary stipend to cushion the effects of fuel subsidy removal on healthcare workers, as healthcare workers in the state did not benefit from the reduction of the working days that other civil servants benefited from. This will help elevate the financial burden faced by our members and ensure that they can continue to serve the people without undue hardship. My distinguished Deputy Governor, we believe that by addressing these concerns, we can collectively enhance the healthcare sector in Edo State and improve the overall well-being of our citizens. We are confident in your commitment to the betterment of our state, and we look forward to your support and collaboration in resolving these pressing issues.
From Benin City, Precious Mukoro, TMC TV News.